Hey, sixth grade students. Sorry, I know this week has been crazy. Not just because I haven't been there, because I know we also had a weather day on Tuesday, and then you guys had a 2 hour delay yesterday. Both of my kids are home with the flu. It has been a rough week. So I will not be in today, but I will be back on Friday. My husband's going to stay home with them on Friday, but they've really been struggling. So I felt the need to stay back with them the last couple of days. So. I will be back on Thursday. Here is what I need you all to do while I'm gone. One, I know I got a lot of emails on Wednesday from you guys about the whole test and the sub, and you were freaking out. It is okay. So if you could, I would love for you to do the test today because you did the review or should have done the review on Monday. You can use that review sheet on the test. These are things that you have been doing all year. One, you're just writing a summary of the HIPAA roller, which is an article you should have read in class on Monday. And the figurative language questions, which I saw all of you completed on Monday, you did an excellent job. Most of you scored 90%. And I only had like maybe 3 people score in the 70s, high 70s. So that shows me that you understand how to identify and analyze figurative language. And then the text structure and figurative language review also on there just for you to get some extra practice. So you can use your review sheet on the test tomorrow. So I would love for you to complete this on Wednesday's slide. If you finish early, I'm not going to have you get in your partners just yet, but I would like for you to start watching videos and selecting topics for your podcast. So you are going to be basically researching a person who has used the basically the problem design thinking that we've been talking about with William over the last 9 weeks. And so if you look at our slides for Thursday, it will walk you through basically what does research mean, because you're going to be researching about the research process, and basically what your thoughts are on the design thinking and how is design thinking used to solve a critical problem in the Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. So these are all things that we've already really talked about. These are the stages of the design thinking process. This talks a little bit about research, which I will get more into with you when I'm back on Friday. But here are the links for all of the people that you could possibly research. Now, there are 6 working links on this first slide. It gives you, I would like for you to try to watch all of them so that you can hear about these amazing stories and pick one that you're going to be creating a podcast on. There is one link that doesn't work. And so we are just going to remove that one from the curriculum. It's option 7. So do not worry, there is no link that works for this one, but all of the other links do work. So you can check out these links, and I believe also this one as well. So option 13 and option 7. So this is 13. This one does not work. So there's 2 links that will not work from the curriculum. And I think because there have been some complaints about it being difficult to find other research on those 2 topics in particular. So I think they just deleted them, but haven't fully deleted them from the curriculum. But these are the videos that you can watch to get an idea of who you want to research. So you're going to pick one of these to complete your podcast on. And then this is just kind of the innovator that I've chosen is because so that you can kind of get thinking about who you want. So this is something you can do independent, and then you can come together with your partner on Friday and talk about who you want to research. So the 2 things that I would love for you to accomplish on Thursday, finishing the assessment. I don't know if some of you started it yesterday. I don't really know what happened. And I know you might not have felt like you had the most time. I didn't get a chance to look at the schedule too much and what that looked like for a 2-hour delay. So if you did not have enough time and you started it, or you didn't start it at all based off of some of the emails that I saw, please go ahead and do that assessment. It is okay. Don't be nervous or scared. If I see that everybody does poorly on it, we will basically look at that again and see what we can do differently, or I won't take it as a grade. So I don't want you to stress too much about this. I know it is towards the end of the quarter, and that is your biggest concern. So we'll talk about that more when I get back on Friday. But I would like for you to try to complete the assessment and then also start looking at your ideas for your research podcast project that we will be starting on Friday. So Also, just a reminder, I'm thinking that if you did not do your test yesterday, hopefully all of you have finished your IXL diagnostic. I've not gotten a chance to look at that yet. And that you got some maybe work time on your independent book project. That was what I was seeing most people emailing me about. Please do not freak out. Please do not get upset. I will check in with you guys on Friday, and we'll troubleshoot whatever you guys were not able to get through while I was gone. And don't worry, I will be back on Friday. So I hope you guys have a great Thursday. I can't wait to see you all on Friday. And please let me know on Friday what you need. I'm, like I said, not great with email right now just because I'm taking care of two sick kids. So it's hard to get to my computer. But I will see you guys on Friday. Take care.